Away they go. G.I. Jane from the outside, moving up. Magnus Dominus, Rivers of Gold. Yes, boy, on the further outside, Market Garden. Oh, yeah, como ba? And brushing up Silent Power. My wife doesn't know. And inside the last 900, Rivers of Gold from the outside, Magnus Dominus. Oh, yeah. Como ba racing in third and running in fourth? Yes, boy. G.I. Jane down on the inside. Silent Power. My wife doesn't know. Market Garden. Lady One Snow and Carmelo. And rounding the far turn, Rivers of Gold by half a length. Magnus Dominus. Yes, boy, getting closer in third as they race the final corner. Rivers of Gold by a length and a half. Magnus Dominus. And on the outside, yes, boy, Silent Power down on the inside. Rivers of Gold, Magnus Dominus, Silent Power running down on the inside. Rivers of Gold, Magnus Dominus, yes, boy, and nearing the finish line. Rivers of Gold, yes, boy, Magnus Dominus, Market Garden, Lady One Snow. Oh, yeah, como ba, G.I. Jane.